guys, I'm Tina Tomato. I just received a package from HairMax and it's their LaserComb Ultima 12. So I'm super excited to see what this product can do for my hair. So my hair has always been on the flatter side and my hairline is pretty high, and this is something I was born with, and I've always wanted to see if I can thicken the hairline area. And I've heard a lot of good things about HairMax, and when they reached out to me I was super excited. They also sent me their shampoo, conditioner, and also a hair treatment, and I just washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and this is what it looks like. The shampoo and conditioner both smells really good, the texture is really good, and they're also very gentle, and they were able to clean my hair without stripping the scalp and the hair. And next I'm going to try out the Ultima 12. Alright, so that was very easy. I used the Ultima 12 on my hair for 8 minutes and I just kind of combed through my hair. There's a timer on this comb, so it tells you when you're supposed to move another centimeter. So you're supposed to comb your hair centimeter by centimeter, and then just basically comb the areas that you're really concerned about. And for me, that's like the front part of my head. 8 minutes goes by really quickly, so the first time use experience with this Ultima 12 was really good. I just have to use it basically 8 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and usually people will start seeing results in 4 months. So I'm going to use this consistently for 4 months, document my progress on YouTube. I'm definitely very excited to see that. I was looking through all the user manuals and seeing all the before and after, as well as their clinical trial data. It seems very promising, so yeah, I'm super excited. If you're interested to see my hair journey, find me on YouTube at Tina Tomato, and that's where I will be documenting my journey using the HairMax Ultima 12. Alright, see you there. Bye!